Renowned personality and below political leader, ex-city mayor Honorable So Vidya Gulabrao Paul Tai Saheb, to make her birthday memorable, Bandkhor Media Group has organized state-level online एलोकेशन कॉम्पिटिशन. कोण होणार महाराष्ट्राचा महावक्ता? आय मास्टर राजीव प्रमोद वंजारे गोइंग टू स्पीक ऑन टॉपिक शेतकरी जगाचा पोशिंदार. हॅव यू एव्हर वंडर वेअर डज द फूड ऑन युअर प्लेट come from? It's not magic, it's the hard work of farmers day in and day out. They work tirelessly to feed us. So they are backbone of our society. So today we are going to talk about why they are so important. Firstly, farmers are the magician who produces money from the mud. They work hard to feed us. These are the words said by Hamid Kalantri. India is a land of agriculture and farmers are soul of our nation. As we all know, life without a soul is impossible. There is a proverb that says those too lazy to plow at the right season will have no food at the harvest. Farmers are the pillars of our nation. They work hard to supply food items to everyone living in our nation throughout their lives. In India, 2/3 of population rely on agricultural production and farming. They produce food, fodder and other raw materials and are the main source of income for the farmers. In India, many people loathe the profession of agricultural production and farming. One of the main reasons for such devaluing is low profit earned by a farmer. People who value money over everything haven't yet realized the true value of farmer. They are senseless about the fact that the food they receive on their table is gift of farmer. Farmers are backbone of our society. They work hard day and night in the sun and rain to feed us. Without them we would not have the fruits, vegetables, grains and other raw materials we enjoy daily. Think of your favorite dish. It may be a bowl of rice, slice of bread or a juicy apple. Every bite you take, every taste you enjoy is a thank to farmer. They work hard to do this. In India, many people don't like to take the farming job, but it is very important. But farmers not only feed us but also take care of our land. They use their knowledge and skills to make the soil healthy, because healthy soil helps plants grow, and when plants grow they clean the air we breathe. In India, farmers also help in our economy. When they sell their crops, it brings money in our towns and cities, and with this it may help the many businesses grow and create jobs for people like the farming. In India, many people don't like farmers, but they are the main man who provides food to us. In conclusion, farmers play a big role in our life. They help in our food supply, economy and take care of our land. So remember, next time when you enjoy a meal, remember to say a silent thank you to farmers who have made it. They are very important in our lives. They are very important because firstly they play a crucial role in our food supply. Without them we wouldn't have the fruits, vegetables, grains and other raw materials. They also wake up early in the morning and provide food to us. They work under the sun all day long and often into the night to make sure that we have enough of food and variety of food on our plates to eat. In it, they grow the plants, grow the seeds and care for plants, and also are the main source of food supply. Secondly, they contribute significantly in our economy. The goods they produce not only feed us but also fuel our industries, from cotton of our cloth to the wood in our furniture. Farmers provide raw materials to countless products. They are the main source of food. They also create jobs not only in farming but also in processing, transportation and retail. In India, many people take the farming jobs because it is very important. In India, many people have farming jobs in villages. Moreover, farmers are guardians of our environment. They take care of the air, land and water. They use sustainable farming practices to preserve natural resources and to help the farmers. We have to take the give the respect and support they deserve. Let's acknowledge their hard work and dedication. Let's celebrate their role which they play in our lives. Let's give them very respect and support they deserve. Thank you, because without them we would not be here.